Hi, I'm Steve O'Hare from Siegel Centre and I'm presenting Trade of the Week. And it is Monday, the 4th of October, and our Trade of the Week this week is Aussie dollar. Now we're looking at this pair in particular. I'm going to start with the higher time frames, then break it down to the shorter term time frames to really pick out the technical levels that we're looking at. So from a longer term perspective, the Aussie dollar has rallied from these lows way back in 16th of March, around about the start of the pandemic, to the highs. And we got up to a high, and we made a high at the week of the 22nd of February. Now, since then, we've seen a head and shoulders formation, which has played out really nicely. But if we take a look at this from a slightly bigger picture perspective, we also see the potential for another head and shoulders formation. The neckline is upward sloping neckline, and here we go. This is what we're seeing. So we are expecting this to move lower over time, and the real driver would be a break of around about the 70 cent mark, but we could get an early indication of this if we see a break of the neckline, which is coming in around about, and we can draw the trend line on here. This really tells us that a break this week of the 71.30 level could give us an early indication that we are going to see this move lower. Dollar strength has been key over the past few weeks in particular. And let's drill down to the daily chart, get a little closer look, put a bit more color on this. So we are seeing resistance really coming in around about 73.15. Support, we've reacted off it, 71.70. And then we're looking for really the 71.07 level or 71.06 level as a secondary support. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we are below the Ichimoku cloud. This is negative on the shorter term time frames, and we've even seen this lagging line, which is the green line here, that's hitting resistance now as price action looks to be stalling on a short term basis. We've had a little bit of a correction higher. It's ran into resistance, and as we can see just above, we have further resistance coming in at 73.15. So that's our trade of the week this week. We're looking at a negative bias on Aussie dollar, and I hope that's been informative and look forward to speaking again soon.